This is the style, you guys. So a little tree, I'm in love. Look at these, you guys. Just look at this. I do believe I'm gonna.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, my name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. As for me, it was amazing. I cooked some great food. I had great company. Overall, it was fun. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a collective haul, and these are just items I've been shopping for over the past weeks. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and please share it with your family and friends. So with that out the way, let's get right into the video. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna go through and show you all the pieces I got. And these are just pieces that I saw in the store, fell in love with them, and I decided that I'm gonna grab them. So the first bag that I have is from Zara, and I only got a few pieces out of Zara. The first item, let me put this back down. The first item I want to share is this satin skirt, and this skirt is beautiful, guys. They come in different colors. I do believe I'm gonna run back in there and try to grab at least 2 more pieces, but the material is amazing, so silky, so soft. I'm also loving the length. It's not hanging or drawing on the ground. It's exactly cut off at my ankle, and I got this in a size small. I do believe they run a little bit big. I think I need to adjust the waist just a little bit because it's a little bit big in the waist. This was going for $39.90, but this skirt is amazing. I love how the girlies are pairing it. They're pairing it with blazers, oversized sweater, jackets, and I'm just loving it. Also, you can pair it with loafers, sneakers, boots. Perfect for the winter time, perfect for fall, and that is why I grabbed this color. But this piece is amazing. I do have skirt like this, but not with this length, and I'm so excited to rock this, especially with the long flowy length. So if you guys are interested, please be sure to go check it out. They should still be available on the website or in stores, but this is beautiful. Next, I saw this purse, and guys, I was sold. Just look at this. Let me give you guys a close-up. Also loving this color. To me, it's looking like a deep purple, but it's also coming off as a very dark brown, and I'm loving that. Loving the gold accent for the handle. This is so beautiful. Also came with a extra strap, which is detachable. Also love that. So I could take it as a clutch, or I could even use it as a shoulder bag. This strap is pretty thin, but it is gorgeous. Love, love, love this. I paid $69.90 for this. It's a beautiful piece. I love it. How do I open this? Okay, so this is on the inside, you guys. Not a lot of space. The Zara logo is also on the inside in gold. Let me see if there's any extra pocket. So there is no pockets on the inside, just an open space, but it is gorgeous and I love it, guys. I can't wait to rock this, and especially with the skirt that I just showed you guys, it's gonna be perfect. My next item is this pair of sneakers, and I love them. When I saw it at first, they reminded me of the Adidas Zamba, and I also wanted a pair of the Zamba, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. But when I saw these, I was like, ooh, these are absolutely beautiful. Very lightweight, When I tried them on in the store, they were extremely comfy, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm going for these. Not sure if I will still go for the Zamba, seeing that I got this, but I might still do, but we'll see. But these are absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the leopard detailing on the back, also a little touch of black. I think that is super cool. Loving the rubbery bottom as well, and I just love the neutral colors. I could always mix and match this with absolutely any outfit. Also thinking about pairing it with this gorgeous skirt that I just showed you. So this is a perfect buy. I got this in 37 and I'm a size 7. They fit perfectly, and this was going for $49.90. I think this is a great buy. Also a little bit down on the price comparing to the Zamba OG, so I'm happy with this purchase. Love, love. I can't wait to rock these. Perfect also for the fall. So my next item is this beauty from Coach, and this is the Joni Coach bag. I am in love with this bag. It is so beautiful. The color is chalk, or you can say off-white. Loving the gold hardware in. It's not a very bright gold. Love that. Also loving the Coach charm that came with it. Also came with another tag on the side that says Coach, and you guys know I am a sucker for gold hardware in. This bag do come in different colors. I think black, pink, purple, chalk. Yeah, so you do have a variety to choose from, but I saw this color and I was in love with it. Also came with detachable strap, so you're able to wear this bag as a crossbody bag or a top handle bag, or even as a wristless bag. I love it. It's also giving me the Fendi look with the shape and how tiny it is. You're not able to fit a lot of stuff, so if you're one of the girlies who like to bring a ton of stuff, this is not going to be the bag for you. But so far I'm loving it. It is beautiful. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. Again, it's not a lot of space. There's no inside pocket. I'm not sure what this is, guys, but it came with a little, I don't know, I don't think it's a pocket. Probably could hold like a pen or something, but that's about it. But I wouldn't bring a pen with this bag, especially for the color. But the inside is cloth material, and you know this is also a leather bag. And I can't wait to show you guys the charm that I purchased to wear with this one. So this is the cherry charm that I picked up to pair with the bag, and it is stunning, guys. This is so beautiful. The red and the gold, perfect. The cherry also have this, like, you know, it's very sparkly, so it's pretty beautiful. Love, love, love it. I hope you guys can see the real beauty on this one. So let me attach it to the bag and show you guys what it looks like. Let me see if I can put it here. Okay, here it is, and this is it attached to the bag. Isn't this a beauty? I'm in love. I am in love, and you guys know how easily I fall in love, but this is real love. Loving it. This is a must-have, guys. I'm telling you, if you're not into this color, you do have different colors that you can choose from, so please go check it out. I love it. So that's it for my Coach Joni bag. My next item is from Amazon, and this is a pair of black boots. I really do need a black boots for the winter. What fell? And these I am so obsessed with. They are gorgeous. Are they on the right? Let me see. Okay, here we go. Look at these, you guys. Let me me give you guys a close-up. I'm just loving the detailing on this, and especially it came with like, it's a little bit more than a kitten heel, so it's extremely comfy. I've tried them on, walk around in them, they are beautiful. But just look at the detailing on this, guys. Little pointy in the front, but look at this gathering right here. I hope you guys are seeing that. Love. So spacious. This did not come with a zipper because it is so roomy all over. From top to bottom, it is extremely roomy. So this is gonna fit like the Givenchy boots, you know, those big boots. That's the look that this is given. But I'm just loving the little fold on the front and just how all-in-one this is. I think this is beautiful. I can't wait to rock it, especially with short leather skirts. Love, love, love. So that's it. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the comment section below, so be sure to check that out. My next item is from Chanel, and this is just their body butter. I love, 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 love. It is so hydrating, so moisturizing. I ran out of the other one that I had, so I decided I would go ahead and pick up a new one. I haven't even opened this one yet, but I'm gonna do it right now so you guys can see what it looks like. Loving the packaging, of course. So this is what it looks like. Loving the pink top. I'm not sure why I'm so drawn to pink. Like, I will just buy something because it's pink. Crazy, right? Yeah. But this is it. It came with a little top. But this is so creamy and thick, you guys. The other one that I had, it served me for almost a year. Like, it is so creamy, so moisturizing. A little bit goes a long way. And again, I don't necessarily use this every day. I just use this especially when I'm going out. So a little bit goes a long way. Also loving the scent on this one. Very fruity, floral, which is kind of like my scent. Love it. But it is so moisturizing. Can you guys see that? I added a little bit to my hand. Smells so good. Yep, 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 yep. So that's it. They gave me a few samples. I'm sure it's probably like, let me see what I got. Okay, so this is a hydration cream. Just a sample size. And the other one is a smooth firm. So I guess this is a firming cream, like for probably wrinkles and lines, fine lines. So that's it. So next I picked up this glow recipe from Sephora, and it's their watermelon glow icons. When they had the sale and I went in store, it was not available. It was all sold out. So I went on the mall, I saw them have it in Sephora, and I'm like, okay, finally I'll just grab it. But I've been wanting this for a while. It was recommended by a friend. I can't wait to try this. So it came with a dewdrop, also came with a toner, and it came with a moisturizer. I'm gonna open it real quick and show you guys what they look like. And these, I wouldn't say these are mini sizes. They're a little bit bigger than mini sizes, but I can't wait to try them. You guys know I'm very big when it comes to skincare and just working for that flawless skin. Yes, I'm still on that quest. So this is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner, and this is what it looks like. Loving the packaging. This bottle is absolutely beautiful. Then next I have the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is the Niacinamide Dew Drops. And this is a serum. I cannot wait. This came in a pump form. Let me see. What's the consistency like? It smells like watermelon, you guys. Smelling really good. Really, really good. I love the shape of this bottle, looking like a light bulb. So cute. Alright, so that is it. And off to my last item. And my last item is from Versace. The bag is huge, but it's a beautiful bag. Loving the black with the gold detailing. You guys know, you guys already know. But I saw these shoes, guys, and they're beautiful. And they were on sale. I was in love. So this is the box that it came in. And let me show you these beauties. Also came with the dust bag. You know how they do. You know how Versace do their thing. It's a beautiful, should I say the material is satin? Beautiful satin material. Let me see if I can handle it with one shoe because I'm struggling holding both shoes in my hand. So this is the style, you guys, and I think this is gorgeous. Loving the heel, also loving the square front. The detailing is amazing. Also came with the Medusa on the front. The gold and black combination is beautiful. Guys, this is such a sexy pair of heels. When I tried them on, ooh, I felt like that girl. Love. Also loving the gold detail on the strap. But this is beautiful, you guys. On the bottom also came with the Medusa head as well. Love this. There's not much to say. I do believe though that I could go a size up. I'm thinking about it, but right now it fits exact, but on the back right here, my heel is resting like, you know, like it's just on there. And I think I could do with a little bit more room. So I might exchange these, but it is beautiful, guys. I am loving them, and they were on sale, guys. I'm not sure if the sale is still on. I think the sale is over with, but these were on sale. So beautiful, so sexy. Guys, you all need to invite me out because I have the shoes, I have the clothes, I have the bags. I'm ready to go. So guess what? You guys can invite me out. I am ready and equipped. So that is it for this collective haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please drop in the comment section below. Let me know what pieces were your favorite. Share that with me and let's discuss it in the comment section. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.